Hi there, everyone. This is Miss MJ. I usually make educational video tutorials for mathematics and English lessons, and I usually teach a thing or two about grammar essentials as well as other difficult topics in math. But today is going to be a little more different. I'm going to talk about the tools I use for online teaching. So if you would like to be a freelancer or maybe want to venture into online teaching, then you can go ahead and check this video. All right. So first of all, most basic tools I use are pretty much simple, easy to understand, and they are very kid friendly. And I have several worksheets and fun games to add as well when I do my sessions. First of all, I'm going to show you this. Alright, so very basic. If you see my bookmarks tab, there you go, you see that everything is set up to my convenience. So it's just a click away so that I can use my time wisely. So first, I have here my Gmail account. This is very important when I send links to students with regard to the topics they need to study. I also send links to our conference room online, which brings you Zoom. All right, so Zoom is pretty much the only tool I use for video conferencing there. Okay, so this is Zoom. Okay, I use this to see my students online, face to face. I mean, face to face online. All right, and uh, this is where we do our discussion. This is where we talk. This is where we interact with each other. All right. I'm going to talk about Zoom a little more in detail on a separate video because for today I will just discuss about the tools in general. All right. So the next one I have, aside from Gmail, of course, is Google Classroom. All right. So a Google Classroom is like a room inside the computer. Okay, so this room is where you can set classes and topics. This is where you can add your students so that they can see your study guides. They will see your um, learning materials, e-learning materials that you will send to them through an application called the Google Drive. Okay, so using your Google Drive, you can save your Google documents. In turn, after that, you can send these documents directly to Google Classroom. And once they are already in Google Classroom, then your students can actually view them and download them. They can even answer their uh, answer sheets, worksheets there and hand them in. So it's pretty much a very useful tool in handling out homework and other important materials. All right, so aside from those basic tools, I use Facebook Messenger for sending the links, and of course YouTube if I would like them to watch a video. If I would like to watch, if I would like them to do some interactive games, then I can just go ahead and choose online whatever game I would like them to play. Usually they are educational games like mathematics games, spelling games, and other interactive games like this. One more thing is that you can actually share this one through Zoom. All you have to do is to click on share screen, which is actually inside Zoom. Click on share screen and then choose what part of your screen you would like to share. You can then allow your uh, students to in turn control the screen. There would be a portion there where they can control the screen so they can actually play these games. All right. Well, what else? I guess it's pretty much it. It's very simple, and once you get the hang of it, it's gonna be very exciting and fun. Well, at first, I also found it very hard to use, but I eventually got the hang of it, and now I am enjoying how I teach online. So, if you are an aspiring online teacher, if you would like to simply uh, simply share your skills online, then this is a pretty much good tool, right? So there you go. I hope you were able to pick a thing or two, and I'll see you on my next video. Again, my name is Miss MJ, and thank you for watching. Bye. That is the end of the vlog. I hope you learned something. By the way, I make educational vlogs, educational videos and lessons, especially in grammar essentials and in mathematics. So if you like this video and if you want to learn more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.